away from me. Festus, where's my money? I don't want ya.
You talk to my husband will give you the money.
Festus! For over many months now, you've been owing me. You don't want to pay me my money.
Just calm down now. My husband will give you the money.
So now you get my liver to land for 27 years. You ain't the last me.
I'll make on a calm down now. My husband will give on the money.
See, but I go cut on the letter. I don't follow that laugh. Am I right or you go back? Pay me my money. Festus, no back out. Are you paying? Pay us the money.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of What I Do Best Comedy Reaction. So, my people, like always, please watch to the very end, drop nice comments, and share this video. It's important. So, don't play, my people. Let's go have some fun.
Hey,
come here. If you run, come. If you run, come back here. What you are doing is if you're Ella. We agreed in Kamala Arawa Ella, but you have been lying to me and you have been giving me Ella. Today is the day that I will collect all my property. Everything that I've given to you, you are going to return it to me.
You said you're going to be taking care of me now as a father figure. I said I don't get papa now.
How does the death of your father have to do with me buying wig for you?
You know now, I have to look good, you know.
You are looking good for other men, but me that I'm taking care of you, you have refused to give me the cookie.
See, the patient dog, now they eat the fat bone.
Oh, I'm turned to a dog now, Abby.
You have to.
I should calm down.
Yes.
Okay.
Can go.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Second chance, second track, second dance, second class, second house, second seat, second song. Hello, my dear. Hello, my dear. Sweetie, my dear. Darling, my dear. Honey, my dear. Darling, my dear. My dear.
How are you now?
That's the disgrace on the face.
Mommy, why? Come outside now.
What did you
Come. Surprise!
Daddy,
Where
do you see all this wig?
Forget about that. Mommy, what do you think about Mommy wig shop?
1,000.
Hey, Mama don't go for revenge.
Taking the Lord.
So you like doggy like this and you go dey pretend, eh?
Can you imagine? Don't you punch?
Talkless.
Oga.
What do you do for her?
Now madam say me come buy food.
You leave Lekki, come Aja, come buy food.
I don't see the food buy for Lekki, so madam say me come Aja, come buy am.
So you don't buy?
I don't finish it like this.
Oh yeah, enter me with the go.
Aje. Aba, don't finish
Talkless, crazy guy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
As a security of a house, why you go leave your house, come out?
Sir, now madam say me come buy food. I don't find out for Lekki, I don't see am. Now waka the waka since, so I just see am for Aja buy for here.
And madam send you. So you know here say me and madam the quarrel.
Oh, not true.
Okay.
But me and madam no dey quarrel, sir.
I don't think say me you no come out for house today. Now you don't come out for house. Madam don't come out for house.
Madam no dey house.
Now why she send you say me you go buy food so that she go fit come out?
You don't find mango.
You know say me and person the quarrel, you leave house for am come out.
What's going on here?
Why they chop the fruit?
No way, sir.
Continue.
I dey chop the fruit of my labor. Aje.
Which level? Now where the level they start, or we dey go find madam like this.
God have mercy upon us.
They chop the fruit of my level.
Oga, This one we don't define madam this morning like this. I will not see her. No go dey go as like this now. If not tomorrow, we'll go define her later.
You know, say now you call this nonsense.
Professor, as he say, you don't the work this morning. You don't the work now. Why? So at least tomorrow we don't bath. We just start another movement again.
Which has you one go? Madam carry key come out.
What in be this?
Madam carry key come out.
She carry key come out.
Now she get the house.
Jesus.
Sorry.
Man, no.
Sir, one last question.
Okay.
So,
Continue.
Madam lock the main gate.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Main gate.
Only that one there, my hand like this.
Thank God. Sir, I mean, help me the key. May I just go as first.
You want leave me here, go.
No, don't be like that, sir. Sir, in case you see madam, let me go open gate for you, sir.
Relax. Come on. Jesus.
Thank goodness you're here. Honorable members, I came to seek approval for a project proposal for my constituency. And the senator here tried to molest me.
God, that's a lie.
Natasha.
Are you going to believe her?
Punch their hand.
You know I'm a reputable man and I'm happily married at country. But Senate President, you are holding an obvious evidence.
Oh, since you people want to know the truth, because I was trying to cover the honorable member up. You see, she came to me this morning and said, Senator, that she bought a new pant and I should help her wear it. That she's having a new waistline. I said, how? From where to where? She said, Senator, you are not, you are rigid, you are not flexible, that sometimes you should play with your honorable members. I said, okay, no problem. Let me help her. I brought myself low to help her wear the pants. The moment I bend down, to help her do what I know how to do. And guess what? Here we are. So you planted these people here, you set me up. To make it look like I'm the evil one.
Women.
What do you mean, women?
Women need to fear women.
Okay, let me explain. When I got to work, Jesus Christ.
Oh, honorable members. Yes, those who are in support to suspend Senator Sanaya should say hi. The hi has it.
Wait a minute.
Not like that, though. Just like that. You know who they are talking about? Senate President and Natasha.
My dear, you are still not giving me an answer. You say you will think about it. Will you be my girlfriend?
Well, I'm single. But you're far. This long distance relationship, it's not really my thing.
It's alright.
So how about the money I asked you for the phone?
Well, I have the money. But you are far. This long distance transfer
is not really my thing.
Oh my
Nduka.
Thank you, ma.
Nduka.
Madam, good morning.
Nduka na yellow, I been a white.
What you concern color with good morning?
No be Gary you come by.
Madam, no be Gary carry me come. That fine girl will just buy something come out here. I never seen her for this street before.
That fine girl, they get fine well. And you know that new police station where them build now? She be officer for there, now that she dey work.
I go like me she be my friend though.
See person wey never chop where they find friendship.
Madam, even government talk and say police is your friend.
My dear Susuru boss.
Ma go track her.
Nduka.
Police is your friend.
I think
Nduka. Anywhere you see Nduka. Trouble day. Anywhere you see Nduka. You not agree, oh, no. Nduka.
Don't they strategize? They plan as you think you're doing.
Half we just didn't mean this girl just the clues. Bros. Me? Bros, I better come. Jesus! Okay. Why slap me now? What did I do? That's not the worry for head, though. That's not the worry for head.
Okay, leave on my back. Avoid them. Now the work of them. I saw this people to the two, yeah?
Okay, I will arrest you. Arrest me. I will arrest you. Arrest me. Arrest him, Abi. No, what I mean.
Jesus!
Where the fuck can I go police station?
Hey! only person. Come on. You go station. There you go.
Maybe you want.
One key person, Abi.
What happened?
Officer, don't be smart, you know. Me and my friend was sitting there, now we see this guy. He caught somebody on the pass. He slapped him, send a play. So now beat and the guy died.
Oga, you're under arrest.
Oga, babe, before you arrest me, help me call your second.
Officer!
What's going on here?
See this man, very wicked man. He called one innocent boy, beat this boy till the boy died.
What of the other of your second way they work here? That girl we fine.
Yes, we go gent call this money we don't transfer go Zamfara.
Hey!
When I fit transfer this butter go Zamfara.
For crime I coming for Port Harcourt. See, I never get your time. Go time for my table. When I go to finish, come back and sit down. Fast! Madam, let me call my mama.
Which mama? The person you keep saying no get mama.
Please stop. Cross, let my mom be aware I'm going today.
This guy, Mumu. They don't transfer the bill because
Let's
of no.
So this is where you stay? Oh, come on now. I don't even know what is trees. This is the first time I'm seeing an actual tree. I work in an oil company, but I see you doing crude oil. You are doing banga here. So you are doing palm oil instead of oil. Oh, God. I don't know what is wrong. Is this the phone you use? Yes. I'll upgrade you. Come on, baby girl, I'll upgrade you. You know what this is? It's an LVX class.
Kiriku,
what's up? Police they enter the vehicle part of this community. They arrest poor people.
Police do it.
I said police they enter the vehicle part. They arrest poor people. Like they come here.
You. Get out here.
Officer, well done.
What's going on? Yeah, good day, officer. Keep your greeting. I'm here on official purpose. We have been sent to this community to pick up every poor person in this community. Okay, I'm not from this community. But will you fall back there? Officer, I said I don't stay here, I don't live here. I don't care where you stay. If you stay in these trenches, I'm not from here. My friend, I don't care where you live. Okay? Officer, check his phone and check his account balance.
Does my boyfriend look poor to you?
If I slap you, body go tell you.
Come on, just take it easy.
Open it.
Beg anything when you sleep.
Jesus.
100 million.
Okay, zero account balance.
Jesus.
My friend, move back.
One man.
Officer, sir, check her phone and check her account balance.
I'm not poor.
Okay, 500k, sir.
500k.
You feel they see my body lanky like this and they pick weight.
Check my phone.
Check her phone.
Open it. Jesus!
You go faint, though. You go faint.
Okay, 1 million.
1 million. Madam, what do you do for a living?
I'm a businesswoman.
Stand there.
I'll never be broke in my life.
I'll never be broke.
Officer,
Sir,
arrest him.
move it.
Let's have it.
Wait, so officer, make una never go.
Let's have it.
Yes? What's the matter? Any problem?
Check this man. Check on the most important part when I check my cool.
Kiriku, is there problem?
Officer, check his phone and check his account balance.
Officer, take it easy. No, I'm an investor. That's my phone. One of my phones. Take it easy, okay?
Okay. One side is blank, the other side is white. Okay. I can see the account balance. Minus 0.00.
Now this account balance you want use first.
Actually, the plus.
You never ready.
Officer, I'm an upcoming millionaire. I play game. Actually, now you are the wait for me.
Officer, sir, arrest the two of them. Little boy, thank you so much for the information.
So Kiriku, now you plan this thing?
I bet you. Police officer, when I carry and go far where I don't see again. You live in the forest. When I carry and go. This is my cruise. This is what I know. I can't take care. They block my shine.
Yo.
They block you. After they block your shot. Never ready, no.
Ada.
Daddy.
You know I'm traveling very soon, eh? So please, whenever you want to sleep, always make sure you lock the doors. Do you hear me? Did you hear me?
Daddy, I heard everything you said. Yes, I heard you.
Before you go to bed at night, always make sure you lock the doors, eh? Close the windows because of rain. Close the backyard doors.
What's going on here?
You like me, I like you.
You like man.
My brother, please come, eh?
Daddy, why are you calling him?
If I slap you!
Wait on, wait. I think my daughter wants to tell you something.
I'm a wicked man.
Daddy,
If I stop you! Stop! Stop!
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
I wanted to tell you that you're so fine and I think I like you.
Imagine. I beg you to out, you too fine.
My brother, na your turn, eh?
Fine boys like us. We will not too look for women like that. Now they rush us. Now they rush.
I'm dying inside there. A lot of things are happening to me.
I think I like you too. At this point of my life, I need prayers more than
no
money.
problem, eh?
Daddy, where are you going to?
I want to go inside and sleep now, eh? Let me give you and your boyfriend privacy.
Boyfriend? Daddy, are you forgetting I'm 20? You said I can't have a boyfriend until I'm 22.
Yes, now. Before you and I go finish talking stage. 2 years go down reach now.
Imagine. 2 years talking stage.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon, madam. I'm Dino.
I'm Shatter.
Madam, we are interviewing some residents in this area. We really love to know what you do for a living.
Actually, I don't work. I'm just a seventh wife.
Seventh wife? With your...
Madam, how old are you and how old is your husband?
It's okay.
I'm 21 and my husband is 79.
Then I mean, even they here, they waste my time.
Off camera, now not everything they record. Madam, off camera.
Money is available.
If you venture past that spot where you reach so.
Brodda.
Jesus.
We are in business. We are in business now.
Idiot.
I bet 500 for this game.
Yeah! I'll not blame you now. No problem. I mean, even they here, they waste my time.
How do someone say back Corolla? We are sick. Go give them. They go now. They shake body now.
You want me to sit and marry rich man?
What's your name?
I'm Soso.
You are a very beautiful girl. You are a fine girl.
Thief.
Abuja.
They take coins. They are the most reliable place to trade your gift card and Bitcoin. Send them a deal.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Soso.
Which one be good afternoon, sir? Now Abuja you they go. You always allow you they stay. Speak out, sir. Yowa.
I don't suffer no be small. Upon sense.
Hello, brother. Husband is a ritualist.
What happened?
I'm mistakenly talking of the room and I'm seeing things for juju. I'm seeing ritual things.
Did anyone see you?
No.
You know what? Leave the room right now. That decoration is so big, Mary do.
Devil, now you really be.
Hello, please, I'll call you back. I'm sleeping.
Very good.
Let's win over bad place.
You know how hard it is to make money? You go market, they tell you something, say this thing 100 naira. You don't know that as a woman you will price it. Oh what? No now. Oh what? Follow me the dog.
Make I tell you, I carry money and I can't tap. I remember, I pay your bride price.
For where? You pay what? No now. See as you stand, I stand with the argue. No, stand make we argue. Stand make we quarrel now. Make we quarrel woman to woman. No, you don't go sit down. Useless man,
See, make I tell you something.
Tell me what?
Make I tell you something.
Tell me what?
Let me tell you. See,
Tell me what?
I they provide for this house.
You know they provide nothing.
I provided for you.
Provide what?
And the children.
You don't get any job. Nothing.
That just because they sack me from work.
Time don't reach where I go tell you say what a man can do.
The
woman can do it more better.
You say what?
Yes.
What it talk?
I say yes.
You, they go now, they go.
They play the show now every day.
Play the show.
You're sure you two want to do this?
Yes.
You slept over this, you thought about it, and this is your final decision?
Oga George, I say we don't ready. Do this thing fast, more come on here.
And you, come forward and sign.
Women are scorpions.
The one change position. The woman becomes the man. Why the man becomes the woman?
You sign.
Let me say Nigerian and country be say they function. Why grown up man like you would they behave like gorilla?
This honorable court will bear me witness to what happened here today. Now, from now onwards, you are now the man of the house and you are the woman of the house. You have to respect him, honor him, do all the house chores and take good care of him. On no account you do disrespect him. Madam, I'm talking to you. On no account you do disrespect your husband, okay? Now both of you can go and live happily ever after.
My beautiful wife. Let's go, my beautiful wife. Here, you won't be man of the house. MAN, morning, afternoon, and night. You know what man they carry for head?
Oh, they struggle.
What for you? Makwenye wonke ne bunishi.
Ibuchi mo, Ibuchi. Ibuchi ayenga.
My husband, good afternoon, welcome.
Hope my food is ready.
Yeah, everything is ready. Sir, I beg I won't remind you, say, gas don't finish. And then, children food don't finish. Children gari don't finish. Beans.
Ah! You don't do! Maybe you are give money last week.
I carry the money go market. You don't finish.
Can you imagine? How can a woman like you, I give you money last week, you don't go spend them recklessly? Do you know how hard it is to make money? You go market, they tell you something, say, this is 100 naira. You don't know that as a woman, you will price it. Do you know how hard it is to make money, dear? Do you think becoming a man is easy? How man go keep woman for house? You cannot manage the house very well. My dear, you have to take your time, oh.
Hello.
Yeah, so make you go kiss snake. What's it they do?
I go tell me I go kiss snake. I know the man of the house. Why are you sounding like that?
Francis! Now you be this. Thunder go fire you. You have been running away from me. Francis, where's my money? I don't want
you talk to my husband will give you the money.
Festus! For over how many months now you have been owing me? You don't want to pay me my money.
Just calm down now. My husband will give you the money.
So now you get my never tell you for 27 years. You guys like me.
Oh, Ganepa, make her calm down now. My husband will give her the money.
See, but I go cut on the letter. I don't follow that laugh. Pay me my money.
Just like the right hand.
Pay us the money.
Yeah, don't they blue?
The suffer is real.
Yeah, don't they blue? Now you want to be man of the house now, Abi? You know, say these women, they know they understand. Say, what men they go through, no be here. You get, you know, so many things they did my head. You could just sit down, you could think so many things. Once you're unable to provide, some of these ladies will think that you are not hustling enough and all that. I think this is just a typical example of it, though a little bit exaggerated, though, but at least we're not supposed to understand. So thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And do not forget to check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out, subscribe, drop comments, and share them. See you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.